Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most versatile and useful functions in Python, the zip function. With this function, we can iterate over multiple lists at once, making our code more efficient and clean. First, let's start by creating some sample lists. We'll be using the zip function to iterate over these lists and print out their corresponding elements. This program creates three lists, list 1, list 2 and list 3. Then the program uses the zip function to iterate through the three lists at the same time. Inside the for loop, the program prints out the items from each list for each iteration. You can also use zip function with dictionary. This program creates two dictionaries, dict1 and dict2. Then the program uses the zip function to iterate through the two dictionary at the same time. You can also use zip function with string. This program creates two strings, string 1 and string 2. Then the program uses the zip function to iterate through the two string at the same time. But wait, there's more. The zip_longest function also has an optional parameter called fillvalue, which allows us to specify a value to be used when one of the lists is exhausted. Let's see an example of this in action. In this example, we first create two lists, list 1 and list 2. Then, we use the zip function to iterate over both lists at the same time. In the first for loop, we see that the iteration stops when the shorter list, list 2, is exhausted. In the second for loop, we use the fillvalue parameter to provide a value that will be used to fill in missing values from the longer list, list 1. This allows us to iterate over both lists in their entirety.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.